Alright, so I have now a full deck up here. I'm probably just going to go ahead and cut that off. These I ended up moving back a little, and the other ones that I bought, I needed the entire length to get up to there. Couldn't get it any closer to the hatch or it would hit it. So anyway, here's what we've got. Let's see if I can get you another shot from up here. There we go. Yeah. Only thing is, this would be a really easy place to fall off of, and that's pretty good ways down there. So, we don't want to fall off. And we need more support holding this on, I think, anyway. Let's see what we can do about that. Alright, so the things that I have here for the side rails to mount to the sides of the deck up on top are going to be, there's a clip, or a, I don't know what you really call it, plate, something like that. Anyway, this thing, and it will fit right on this aluminum piece, and I can take and drill holes through to match up with these. This can go in the side of the bus, or the top of the bus. It's being an angle like that, just fine. I can still get a screw in it, or at least two, one on each side. Some cases I may be able to get three in it, but up on top, now this will actually screw to the 2x6 like that. This will go into it like this, and I can get screws in the sides. So we'll try to put some of that up and see how that goes. Alright, so what we got here, we got the deck. Of course, you know, it's a nice place to stand up here. Problem would be that as you're standing up here, not really paying attention to what's going on, there's a chance that you could walk right on off, and it's a long way down. So we got to have some kind of a rail system. So basically my idea is I'm going to use some of these pieces of aluminum. They just slot into the other pieces. It's got a little tab on it that snaps in place, about like that. And if you get them all put in a row here, snap that one in, and a couple in the middle. Now these are not going to actually have the snap because it would be hard to get them in and out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have another section of aluminum the bigger section that can slide down over to come up to about here. That way we'll have a pretty good rail system, and it will at least be a good spot that will kind of remind you that you're up on top of something and maybe you won't fall. Anyway, that's kind of what I got so far there. That's what I've done today. And I got a few things on the inside that I'd like to show y'all as well. So come on down with me and we'll check it out. Okay, now a couple more things that I have done that's really not big enough changes to make a whole video about, but like I put my plug covers on. Let's see, one here. I got trim put around the sink. Back up a little so you can see it. Yeah, that actually turned out decent. Then down here we have our return air for our heater coming in, so it goes under the cabinets and through the heater and out this vent and also out that vent. So, alright, that's some of them. And something else I did, I also stuck up a curtain over the door. This will help with holding heat in, and it will also block, you know, so nobody can see in. I'm going to get something else to go across this window and that window, actually on the outside. It's for an RV. It's a cover that goes around the outside. It will also cover part of that window up too. But this covers up the door, and then of course you've got these curtains that you can pull over and cover these windows, so that gives you some more privacy. And I just have them tucked in. This is a little piece of foam with vinyl on top of it that keeps you from bumping your head when you walk out the door. So I just kind of got them tucked in there, and then when I'm not using them, I'll just take them down, because they come down really quick and easy, just like that. And I can put them up. Okay, here's something else that I redid. You might remember, yeah, there it is. You might remember that I had a wire ran down to the latch down there. You can see. And what I have done is I got a cable that actually it is like a throttle cable. Come on, focus in there. If I can get it to focus in, I'll show you. Anyway, this is like a throttle cable. You can see it runs up, and I took and cut the end off of a wrench and stuck it on here and welded it on here, and that's what actually holds the latch. And I made it so I can adjust it. I think I found where I want it. I've been using it like this for a while, and I like it. It just very simple. But yeah, that's another one of the little updates. And let's go over another one. Okay, now you remember what these hooks were for. These are for a bed that actually goes up here in the front. Now I did finish the bed the way that the way I was trying to do it, which it will work. It's not ideal, but it will work. Actually came up with something a little that I like a little better, but I'll show you the finished product of the bed first. I keep it behind the couch here. Okay, now I got what is painter's drop cloth. All it is a piece of canvas. See if I can get you a little closer. And I took and screwed it on, and then I roll it up, and it hooks on. something like that, and this, and that makes into a front bed that somebody can sleep in. It's not the easiest to get in and out of. It's not bad once you get up there, but getting up in it is kind of fun. But I came up with something else that I actually like better. Actually, this was suggested by somebody too. Alright, now in here I have, this will be used for a pillow, just a sheet. This also out of the same canvas, the same batch of canvas that I bought, I took, and on the ends, basically what I did is I took the end of it, I kind of rolled it up. You know, it's still the full width, but I kind of rolled it up, folded it over like that after I wrapped the rope around twice, and then I took the rope, wrapped it around here a few times and tied it, and then just for extra stability I taped it too, just to make sure. These ropes, one hook's there and the other one hooks there. And you have a hammock. Now I kind of like this a lot better than I did the other bed that stretched all the way across here. The one that goes all the way across, it's a little short for me, and it's just not, it's not easy to get in and out of. This is not too bad. Let me take my shoes off. And once you get in it good, I need to get me a pillow. This is just a sheet, of course, but I'll put my sheet. It's supposed to be my pillow. Sorry if I was messing with the microphone there. I'll take my sheet, put behind my head. This is actually, I don't know what it looks like on camera. I've never seen it on camera, so I don't really know. But I'll tell you, it feels comfortable. And another thing, yeah, I'm close to the TV right here, but all I've got to do is this, and that TV goes out like that. I sat and watched TV here the other day. Perfect. You have somebody sleeping on the couch right there watching TV, and I was sitting here watching TV. Works just fine for us. Anyway, I believe that's going to about do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see you on the next one.